Hello everyone and welcome back to Soul Foods India. So today I am going to talk about Smart Sakhi. आमच्याकडे ही नवीन स्मार्ट सखीच्या प्रॉडक्टची रेंज आलेली आहे. सो स्मार्ट सखी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मला हे नावच खूप आवडलंय, कारण की काय आहे, साताऱ्याकडच्या सांगली साताऱ्याकडच्या ज्या आपल्या शेतकरी बायका आहेत, ज्या शेतकरी सख्या आहेत आणि स्मार्ट शेतकरी सख्या आहेत, त्यांना त्यांची प्रॉडक्ट्स ही ग्लोबल मार्केटिंग मिळवून देण्यासाठीचं काम करणारी ही संस्था आहे स्मार्ट सखी. आय एम व्हेरी व्हेरी हॅपी अँड फॉर्च्युनेट that we have the founder of Smart Sakhi with me, Usha. So Usha, please, why don't you tell us about all these products which are sustainable farming and no chemicals, fantastic products. So why don't you introduce yourself and talk about it?
Thank you, Purnima and Niranjan and Soul Food India. You know, I'm really excited and happy that this is our first store, you know, where our products are actually on the display. So thanks to you, you know, eka marathi dusra marathi hath pakadlyabaddal.
Yes.
I really appreciate that. Okay, what is Smart Sakhi? Smart Sakhi is basically, you know, sustainable farming करणाऱ्या ज्या महिला आहेत, you know, we are working with 5 villages right now in Koregaon Taluka and Khatao Taluka from Satara basically, and they all do sustainable farming under the guidance of Pani Foundation. So we have created these products. Okay, we are farmers, we are manufacturers. आम्ही दिवाळी सगळे पदार्थ करतो, आम्ही पिठं तयार करतो, and then we are traders as well, and we do resell sarees and jewelry. But this is going to be something very great products we have. All of these are chemical free products, okay, and we have cold press oils. Our special product this time is A2 Gir cow ghee. I know you all are going to like this one because the cow with a hump on the back has a, you know, special, the rays of the sun it catches, and there's a very special protein in this one. So that's why it is a A2 Gir cow ghee, and I'm sure, you know, everybody's going to like it.
I know.
Again,
I'm
thanks to
highly
you.
excited to, especially with this product. And you can see I'm actually already opening the peanut chutney. Right now we just had a pop-up of Smart Sakhi products, and she told me this was the top selling product. So right now today we have in our kitchen ज्वारीची भाकरी. त्या ज्वारीच्या भाकरी बरोबर मी मस्तपैकी ही दाण्याच्या कुटाची चटणी बरोबर खाणार आहे. सो आय एम सुपर एक्साइटेड. स्मार्ट सखीची शेंगदाण्याची चटणी रोज पण दिसते. सेड स्मार्ट सखी माझा लंच व्हायचाच होता. ही आमची सोल फूड्स इंडियामध्ये केलेली मस्तपैकी भाकरी, पिठलं भाकरी आणि कांदा आणि ठेच्याच्या बरोबर मी स्मार्ट सखीची दाण्याच्या कुटाची चटणी घेतलेली आहे. हे फोडल्या मी ट्राय केल्या आणि अतिशय अप्रतिम ही एवढी दाणेदार चटणी आहे. फॅन्टास्टिक, खूप सुंदर चव आहे त्याची. सो ऑल द स्मार्ट सखी प्रोडक्ट्स आर गोइंग टू बी हिअर इन सोल फूड्स इंडिया. सो यू कॅन स्टॉप बाय and enjoy all this sustainable farming product. So thanks a lot. Fantastic idea of actually this is a noble cause. की एका छान आपल्या शेतकरी महिलांसाठी तुम्ही हे छान काम करता. You are also connected with Pani Foundation, I believe. So that is also something
that's
amazing.
A wonder thing, yeah. It's a wonderful work they are doing, and I really want to thank our ladies, the farmer ladies from Bosre, Jaigaon, Pangarkhel, Shirdon आणि आसनगाव. या महिला आहेत या, आणि ह्या सगळं स्मार्ट लेडीज स्मार्ट सखी.
So remember the brand Smart Sakhi, and it is available at Soul Foods India, Frisco.